One thing that saps a lot of energy. Hi, this is Shweta. I'm the founder and principal consultant at Growth Idea, and I want to talk about what is that one thing. And it's important for you to understand because you are the energy meter of your business. When you're doing well, when you're on the high, the business is on the high. It's roaring forward. But there's one thing that can really sap this energy. And that one thing is when we go quiet on the issues that need to be discussed, when there is silence between people, when there is silence in relationships because you are upset, you are hurt, or the other person is upset or hurt, right? And you're not talking to each other. Now, look, I also believe in this, that sometimes sleeping over things, letting them be there for a while actually resolves quite a few of issues. Not everything needs to be discussed and kind of ripped apart, right? Sometimes you let it be and time heals that matter. And many times you have to have that conversation. But for me, what's really an important point, which is what I wanted to share with you, is, look, if you are choosing to have silence in the relationship or in the matter, it's fine. Silence here is okay, but what's more important is silence here. Because many times people go quiet, they're not talking, they're ignoring the matter, ignoring the person, but out here, there is so much of conversation happening. There's a flow of thoughts, chitter, chatter, upset, churn. And if that's the case, it's not worth your headspace. You need to talk about it. You need to put it on the table, resolve the matter, and move on. But if you practice meditation, observation, and you're okay to have silence here for the time being, and you're okay to have silence here and allow the things to settle, allow the time to happen so that you can have even higher level of clarity so you can respond and not react to the situation, then that's even better. So remember, if there is silence here, let there be silence here as well, so you can maintain your headspace, your energy levels, and deal with the situation the best way.